Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome to Ryan's Gay Chicago. This is Ryan and mon petit assistant Jean-Pierre. Today we're going to talk about the top 5 gay-friendly destinations in Chicago and the Chicago area. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Bienvenue. And stay tuned to the end and I have a bonus place for you. Of course, no visit to Chicago LGBT attractions can be complete without visiting Boys Town. So here's Roscoe's, and we have across the street Progress and Sidetrack. So they're the largest bars, but all along Halsted here you can find tons of bars, clubs, restaurants. This is the main area to visit, obviously, hence the name Boys Town. And yeah, so come check it out. It's on Halsted near Roscoe in Lakeview. And here's a little bit more of Halsted Street here. Again, Halsted and Roscoe, the busiest intersection, but you have all sorts of attractions all up and down the street. And as a lesser known fact, this neighborhood was actually considered kind of run down in the 70s until a lot of gay-oriented businesses and residents came and livened the area. All right, welcome to our next LGBT site destination here in Chicago. We have the Legacy Walk. You'll see along Halsted Street in Boys Town all these rainbow pylons, and you have plaques. This one is talking about Walt Whitman in particular, but they commemorate famous LGBT figures from around the world and their contributions to history. So, you know, come check it out. You can take guided tours or you can just read them on your own, but they're all up and down Halsted, and I forget the exact streets, but it's just full of information and, you know, something to really help you appreciate the LGBT community worldwide. Something you can find here in Chicago. Check it out. All right, folks, we're now in Andersonville, which is north and west of Lakeview, off of Clark Street, north of Foster. So you can find lots of cute little shops. This one right here is the Brown Elephant. This is a resale shop that proceeds go towards the Howard Brown Health Clinics, which specialize in LGBT healthcare. So come here, check out the neighborhood. Look, you got a cute resale shop. You got a whole bunch of cute other shops. Buy something and donate to a great LGBT cause, which is the Howard Brown Healthcare Clinics. All right, check it out. Say hi, Jean-Pierre. Salut! All right, fans, welcome to the South Suburbs, the Southland, as they call it, or the South Side of Chicago. It's all sort of close together. This is called Crave. So this is the bar for downtown Blue Island. As you can see, it's right at 130th and Western, approximately. And come check it out sometime. We actually do have a gay bar here. I mean, it's not huge, but it's still got lots of fun things, drag shows, different events that go on. So come down to Blue Island. You won't be far from me in Harvey. And, you know, I love the South Side, so come check it out. All right, fans, we're at my favorite place. It's Hollywood Beach. Oh, it's really calm right now because it has been raining. But this, in the summertime, gets really packed full of guys in Speedos and other people that are seeking a gay-friendly refuge and want a beach, but they're still in the city. So it's a great place to come. I highly recommend it. Check it out. It's in Edgewater at basically the end of Lakeshore Drive, and this end behind me is where the gays usually congregate, which you kind of can't see right now because it's dark, but there's a rainbow lighthouse back there. So that's the place. Come check out Hollywood Beach. And Jean-Pierre loves it too. He loves walking around. All right, and our bonus stop on the Chicago LGBT tour sites here is Big Chicks in Uptown, located on Sheridan Road near Argyle. And you have this lovely bar, as you can tell by the name, Big Chicks. There's some lovely lesbian-themed artwork inside as well. You have next door Tweet, which is a hot brunch place, especially on the weekends. So check out Tweet as well. And it's nice. It's right by the lakefront. You can see some of the high-rises behind me. So you can also take a little walk to the lake after your visit and check out some beaches and trails and enjoy. That is Big Chicks, folks. That's your bonus. We just have to say, if you enjoyed this video as much as Jean-Pierre and I did making it, please feel free to check out my other videos. If you click on these boxes, also if you want to get in touch with me, I'm a real estate agent in the Chicago area. So my information is below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, click on the bell so you don't miss any videos, and that's it for now. Au revoir, until the next time.